So, hello everyone. Welcome to day 1 of the 100 Days System Verilog Challenge. I am your host Kittu K. Patel from Codes to Chip, and I am super excited to take you on this journey where we don't just write code, but we also build some chips. Whether you are a student, a fresher, or someone transitioning into the VLSI verification domain, so this challenge is basically designed for you only. For the next 100 days, we will break some advanced concept or complex concept and get your hand dirty with the codes and get you job ready for roles in like ASIC FPGA verification. So let's get started. Alright, so let's talk about what is this challenge is actually about. The goal here is simple, to guide you from zero to hero in System Verilog, starting from the basics and going all the way to advanced concept like UVM and functional coverage. We are not just going through the theory. Every day you will get some logical question, some concepts, and along with that some quizzes, and also you will get some doubt solving forum where you can ask anything. So our target audience includes VLSI students, freshers who are aiming for verification job, and even design engineers who want to transition into verification role. So by the end of this challenge, you will completely have a solid grip on SV. You have to complete many mini projects and be confident to face interview. Now you might ask, why System Verilog? So why not just Verilog? So well, think of a Verilog as a bicycle. It gets the job done, but it is limited. System Verilog is like a Tesla. It has an autopilot self-checking feature and can even tell like how thoroughly you have tested your chip. Let me break it down. So see, first of all, extensions of Verilog. It doesn't replace Verilog. It builds on top of it, especially for verification. Now unified language. So see, your design, test benches, assertion and coverage all in just one language. And it is also an industry standard. Every big company like Intel, Qualcomm, AMD, Synopsys uses System Verilog for functional verification. Okay. So now it also has object-oriented support, which makes your test benches reusable, scalable, and also clean. And it is also supported UVM compatible. UVM, which is the industry go-to verification methodology, is built only on System Verilog frameworks. Now, okay, so what's the actual difference between Verilog and System Verilog? So Verilog is like a base language, good for RTL design. But when it's come to build an intelligent test bench, modeling environments and checking whether your design is correct in every possible corner cases or not, so Verilog falls short. System Verilog add classes, inheritance, functional coverage, all the things you need to perform modern, automated and exhaustive verification. So essentially System Verilog is everything Verilog is not when it's come to the verification. So now why is System Verilog essential in verification? So see, this slide is very important. If you want to understand why SV is non-negotiable for the verification job. So see, randomization. In randomization, so in real life, you can't write 100 or 1000 test cases or 10,000 test cases by hand. So System Verilog can automatically generate diverse test input scenarios, and it will help you to sketch some corner cases bugs. Now in System Verilog, you can also write assertion. These are like rules written in the code. If something unexpected happen, they immediately flag it. Super useful for debugging. Now class and inheritance. So see, object-oriented features make your test benches modular and maintainable. So you can reuse your components across different designs and projects. It is also supported functional and code coverage. So see, this tells you how much your design was actually tested. It helps you to avoid the false confidence of just because it's run, it works. UVM integration. So System Verilog is the default language for writing UVM based test bench. If you want to get hired as a verification engineer today, so you need to know SV period. Okay. So now how you start this journey? So the key is consistency. Don't try to learn everything in one overnight. We are following a one concept per day approach. Understand it, code it and test it. With time your foundation will become a rock solid. You will master the System Verilog to unlock some roles like ASIC and FPGA verification. Now consistency is the key. See, one concept you have to consider each day and try to do more practice as much as you can. And so get hands-on tasks and ask doubt and engage with your peers. Okay. So see, Verilog is like a bicycle and system Verilog is like a Tesla. So this is the confusion, because in Tesla we have some automated feature which is not there in bicycle. So you can say like by using system Verilog, you can achieve many things which are not supported in Verilog. So that's all for today. If you are liking this video and if you are following this series, so do follow and subscribe this channel for next video. Okay, thank you.